Okay, hearty welcome to all the participants in the conference that has been organized by Jamia, one of the very reputed universities of North India. I also thank the conference organizers for inviting me as the panel speaker in the marketing area. It's a great privilege and honor to be associated with such an eminent personalities from the academic world and share my own thoughts on the marketing changes and transformations happening all across the world. I believe conferences, seminars, workshops are a great learning experience where variety of thought processes and stimulating ideas can get generated. Because I feel that the current scenario is, disruptive. That's the only term that I can consider for today's environment. How the international as well as the national um, macro factors are changing, which are creating so many challenges and threats for the marketers and brands today, further leads to great research areas that have to be digged into. And I believe conferences where contributors from all across India and also international borders they contribute, it really builds upon a strong foundation for taking up research in a more meaningful and relevant manner. Being in this area of academics for last 2 decades, and special focus has been on marketing and strategy, I believe what the world is witnessing now will change how marketing is done forever. I mean, I remember around 10-15 years back, I was attending a session, and a very senior professional and a very senior academician from Delhi University categorically mentioned that research in India still has to grow and develop to a level where whatever research we do has to have industry relevance. He was very particular in saying that researchers and academicians need to choose and pick up those areas and topics which are relevant for the managers, the marketing managers, for taking critical decisions. Then we would be able to bridge this gap between academia and industry forever. So I feel the disruptive innovations taking place in the marketing sphere also, with the incoming of digital and social media marketing platforms, will change the above the line and below the line marketing forever. And every component, every aspect of these traditional marketing and the new marketing methods need to be researched on. For example, many of my students, they are researching on the efficacy and effectiveness of Instagram versus Facebook with respect to spreading information about COVID behavior, as to how people should behave when they are in a pandemic. Few of my students and researchers I know have developed keen interest in doing researches in the area of panic buying, what we saw last year in March when there was a lockdown announced, and what are the consumer buying behaviors and consumer psychology per se has changed in the last 1 year and will remain changed for the next 3 to 4 years, where a lot of behavioral changes are being witnessed and seen among the consumers and the budding consumers who are now buying those things which they never thought they will be buying. So I feel and I believe as an academician, as a teacher, that the research focus needs to be inculcated in the students from very beginning. I mean, not just that a research scholar who is pursuing a PhD should look at doing a research in an area that they are passionate about, but even the students at UG level, at PG level, have to be oriented and motivated towards taking up research in a meaningful manner. Maybe they can get associated with their teachers or with their mentors, but learning the art and techniques of doing research, along with developing new academic models and theories that can not only add value to the conceptual understanding of marketing as a subject, but also can be relevant for marketing practitioners in taking various marketing decisions. I feel there is a huge gap between what we teach in the classes to students and what they practically adapt and adopt to when they join the organization. So there is a great need and a in-depth requirement of certain conceptual models and marketing concepts which can be built on core consumer understanding, brand understanding, the trends understanding, so that this bridge can be uh, filled, and the practitioners feel that the academic world is contributing to better managerial decision, and even the academics feel that they're able to get that kind of right input from the brand managers. So such platforms where academics, the practitioners from the industry, senior professionals from the research fraternity, and the students can come together, deliberate on the existing changes taking place in marketing research, selection of the new areas and topics that can be taken up with the future generation of budding researchers, criticality of new areas like behavioral aspect of consumer buying, like we have behavioral economics, we have behavioral finance. Similarly, working on the behavioral marketing part by inculcating the consumer psychology aspects into these kind of researches has become very, very, very important in the current scenario. I myself, I'm as a teacher of both marketing and strategy. And I believe each marketing decision needs to be aligned with the overall corporate strategy. And then only this gap or this mismatch can be eliminated. Also, the researchers today, especially in the marketing area, they need to understand that they need to define a passion area or an interest area which really creates enthusiasm in them with respect to the research. I mean, research should not be taken as a trend which is happening in the market, or what's the latest topic to be researched on. I think research is a very close to heart area where a person should feel about a particular topic in an area and then keep on building upon much deeper analysis of the multiple dimensions of the same topic. For example, sustainable products and sustainable marketing is very close to my heart. I've been deeply involved with the consumer buying understanding towards luxury brands. I've been keenly, I mean, most of my research has been in the area of luxury brands and how emerging economies differ, how developed economies differ, what differences are there if we take, say, the fashion products, or if we compare them with, say, automobile luxury buying. So, as a marketing teacher, I believe that every person in the academic field or research should really be passionate about one particular area, which can be consumer behavior, it can be marketing communication, it can be maybe digital marketing and social media marketing efficacy, or there are plethora of areas where people can develop interest. And then we should try to dig deep into the multiple aspects of that particular field, and that will lead to academic development for ourselves and also making meaningful contributions to the research fraternity as a whole. So I believe there are so many, I mean, multiple areas to marketing that we have studied in the traditional marketing field. Like when we did our masters 20 years back, subjects like brand management and advertising and sales promotion, then sales and distribution management were very core to any kind of marketing study and research. But the entire environment has changed today, and things have become redundant, and new areas of research in digital marketing, social media platforms, e-commerce marketing, and how big data and artificial intelligence is becoming such an important part of each marketing decision taken by a consumer. I really believe that all the researches should be really consumer driven. And if those consumers' thought process, their opinion, their perceptions, they can be understood better, it automatically provides a great deal of learning to the brand managers. And they can take all the product based and brand decisions very easily, and they will be effective as well. So I believe that academics and the practicing community have to work hand in hand in compatibility with each other. And we as researchers and academicians should lay focus on industry relevant research. If as a nation we need to grow, if as a research fraternity, India has to be positioned well in front of the eyes of the international research fraternity, more and more theoretical contributions need to be made by developing certain new concepts, linking them to the old traditional ones, looking at how the consumers are different in the current scenario, what they would be 10 years down the line. And I think that will make research more meaningful, more relevant, and more futuristic. So, with these small observations from my side, I would again request all the researchers to be passionate about research and their marketing areas where they want to pursue their future endeavors. I also again thank the organizers for considering me worthy of taking this marketing session before the paper presenters can continue with the session. And thank you so much. It was wonderful being part of the conference. And I wish all the very best to all the presenters and the participants. Good luck for the conference. And topmost is please stay healthy and stay safe, because only then India will grow and flourish on the various academics and research interest that we can develop in the future. Thank you so much. Again, I thank the organizers, and I wish all the very best to all the participants of the conference. Thank you so much.